Okay, let us discuss the difference between type 1 and type 2 superconductors. Depending on their magnetic behavior in an external magnetic field, superconductors are classified into following two groups. First one is type 1 superconductor and second one is type 2 superconductor. Let us first discuss the type 1 superconductors. Let us discuss the graph between M, that is intensity of magnetization, and H, that is applied magnetic field. Here a superconductor is placed under the influence of external magnetic field. You can see from the graph that at point A, superconductivity loses abruptly to zero, that is at Hc, and by definition Hc known as critical magnetic field, that is that value of magnetic field at which a superconductor becomes a conductor. So basically points to remember or properties to remember here are: type 1 superconductors, when placed in magnetic field H, it loses its superconductivity abruptly at critical magnetic field. Because type 1 superconductor loses superconductivity abruptly or easily, they are also known as soft superconductors. They obey Meissner effect. So we can see the example of type 1 superconductors as aluminium, that is critical magnetic field is 0.0105 Tesla, zinc 0.0054 Tesla. Now let us discuss the type 2 superconductor. Here the graph is again between the same two parameters, that is M, intensity of magnetization, and H. But clearly you can see the difference between type 1 and type 2 superconductors. At point A, type 2 superconductors starts to lose its superconductivity at Hc1, where Hc1 is known as lower critical magnetic field, and it completely lose its superconductivity at Hc2, that is upper critical magnetic field. So you can see that type 2 superconductor loses its superconductivity gradually, not easily. Therefore they are also known as hard superconductors. The state in between Hc1 and Hc2 is known as vortex or intermediate state. And type 2 superconductors also obey Meissner effect. Example: BaBi3, critical magnetic field is 59,000 Tesla. COSI2, critical magnetic field is 8400 Tesla. And I hope that uh, you you have understood the difference between type 1 and type 2 superconductors. In case of any doubt, you can leave your doubt, you can leave your comment in the comment section. Now because I am in India, so it is my duty to speak in my mother tongue and mix with the English. So I will now speak in Hindi plus English, that is English. Now type 1 और type 2 superconductors basically दो तरह के superconductors होते हैं. Type 1 superconductors वो superconductors हैं जो अपनी superconductivity easily lose करते हैं critical magnetic field पर. क्योंकि वो easily superconductivity lose करते हैं, इसलिए उनको हम soft superconductor भी बोलते हैं और Meissner effect obey करते हैं वो. एग्जाम्पल है एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक के लिए क्रिटिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 0.054 टेस्ला. टाइप 2 सुपरकंडक्टर्स क्रिटिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड Hc1 पर वो सुपरकंडक्टिविटी लूज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं और Hc2 दैट इज अपर क्रिटिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पर वो कंप्लीटली लूज कर देते हैं. और जो स्टेट होती है Hc1 और Hc2 के बीच में, उनको हम वोर्टेक्स और इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट भी बोलते हैं. बिकॉज टाइप 2 सुपरकंडक्टर अपनी सुपरकंडक्टिविटी ग्रेजुअली लूज करते हैं, आराम से लूज करते हैं, देयरफॉर दे आर हार्ड सुपरकंडक्टर्स. दे आल्सो बे मेजर इफेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल BaBi3, COSI2. तो थैंक्स अ लॉट. थैंक यू.